Right, in this video I'm going to show you how to gift money using your PayPal so you won't incur charges to your family members or trusted people. So what you do, you go to pay, get paid, send money, here you type in the email address or mobile number of the person that you want to send the money to as gift. It might come up under your the persons that you've had previously, you've gifted before, and then type the amount of money you want to give as gift. The conversion rate will show there if it's converting from one currency to another. Then you continue. Now when you go up here, it just automatically by default goes down to actually pay like send payment. So you don't want to do that. You want to go up where the name of the person is, just right under that, under the value, the amount you want to send. There is a part that says pay for an item or service, and also you have a choice here to change. You press that change, then you have here the options. Again, paying for an item or service is picked by default, but if you want to give as a gift, sending to a friend or family members or trusted people, then you pick that one. You'll see the amount and the fees and everything else that you need to know, and also the button that you need to send. Once you send that, that's gone as a gift to the recipient, and that's all you have to do. Now, I'm not going to do that, it's just for an example, just to show you how it works. So that is all about it. Okay, thank you very much. If you've benefited from this video, please do the right thing. Press subscribe, like and share buttons. Thank you very much. Till the next video, goodbye.